How to change profile picture on RedNote. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to change your profile picture on the RedNote app. Without further ado, let's get started. Open RedNote on your device. Tap on the Me tab available at the bottom. Then, your RedNote profile will open up. Tap on the circle with your current profile picture. From this page, you can change your RedNote profile picture. Before proceeding further, please note that RedNote allows you to change your profile picture a maximum of 3 times within 7 days. If you have already reached this limit, you won't be able to update your profile picture again until the week has passed. In such cases, you will need to wait for the reset period to update your profile picture. With this note in mind, let's continue the process. As you can see, here are 3 ways to change your profile picture. The first way is to upload a new avatar. Using this method, you can simply select and upload an image from your device gallery to set as your profile picture. The second way is to create an AI avatar. Using this method, you can generate a personalized avatar with the help of AI. The third way is to get an avatar accessory. Using this method, you can enhance your avatar by adding unique accessories. Since I want to change my profile picture by selecting an image from my device gallery, so I will use the first method. That's why, tap on Upload New Avatar, then your device gallery will open up. If you wish, you can take a live photo by tapping the camera icon. Alternatively, you can browse through the images available in your device gallery. I will go ahead and browse for the image I am looking for. Once you find your preferred image, single tap on it to select, then tap the confirm button available at the bottom. Finally, tap on the next option available at the bottom. And boom, you have successfully changed your profile picture on RedNote. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.